Installing a new porch light can be a great way to upgrade your outside lighting. And if you choose the right one, it can do more than upgrade the way your lighting looks. It can also upgrade your power. This is the VDKK Porch Light with the built-in GFCI outlet. This porch light was sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. Yeah, it's got the plugs right here for your GFI right there. So that's pretty nice. It's got a nice spring load to it. So here it is compared to my old light there. So yeah, that's a lot nicer. But this thing didn't install itself. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I set it up. Make sure you turn off your lights at the breaker. It's not part of the patio lights, it's part of the garage lights. There we go. Now we don't have any power up there. To take this old one off here, I'm just going to unscrew these two nibs right here. And now this thing should just come right off. And then all the wiring should be inside there. Okay, now that I can see everything in here, we got our white wire, which is our neutral wire. We got our copper wire here, which is our ground. And then we got our black wire, which is our hot wire. All right, I'm just going to disconnect these and then we'll get out the new light. Okay, so here it is compared to the old one here. It's pretty big compared to the other one here. You can see the difference in size. Substantially bigger, plus it has the outlet on the side, which is really nice. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there with the door that closes there. But it's the same thing, we just got to unscrew these things here because they're holding on that plate right there. All right, let me go ahead and finish putting this together. It also came with a couple bags here with the wire nuts in there and some extra screws. Same thing here, you just unscrew these right here to disconnect the bracket on there. It does have a little washer on there, so make sure you don't drop that. The bracket's pretty much the same as the old one, it just has a lot longer screws on here. So we're gonna put the new one on there. I'll use the old screws though that were in there. You got a few different options here to put the screws back in, so just kind of put it where it fits in best there. So you got a few different configurations you can do to move this thing around. All right, let's get the wires hooked back up. Okay, I got the wires set back up there. I got black to black, green to copper, and then white to white. It might be a little bit tricky to hold this up here while you're installing it, so you might need some help to install it. But I was able to get this up here. Now I'm just going to tuck those wires back in there and I'll hook it back up on here. Okay, there it is up there. Yeah, that thing's pretty nice. Just need to put the bulb back in there and turn the power on. All right, now we'll turn the power back on. All right, it looks like we got the power back on in the garage. So let's flip the switch. Oh yeah, there it is, it's working. All right, now we'll test out this power outlet up here. All right, I got that plugged in up there. I don't have any outlets on this side of the house, so pretty nice to have some power over here. Let's see how it works. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, it looks pretty good. The other thing they say to do is to put some silicone, put some clear silicone around here to seal it. So that'll be the last thing I do here. All right, I got all the silicone up there. Just make sure you wash your hands afterwards. That stuff can be kind of sticky, or wear some rubber gloves when you do it. All right, we'll just go ahead and screw it in here. Turn the light on. There it is there.